Hello and welcome to the Whirly channel. Last week I announced the Whirly Week giveaway for November. Stupid name, but so's Cyber Monday and Black Friday. Anyway, I'm going to pick some winners today, and I've based the winners of these Toolkit RC chargers. Oh, and there's an ISDT one as well, which I know I've already shipped out. I've based it purely on the comments that people have made over the last couple of months on all of my videos. I mean, it's fantastic that you comment on these. It really does encourage me to continue making the channel, and it means that I know that you appreciate the effort I put into this. So let's have a look through here. Okay. Now there's some people that do make comments very regularly and very constructively. Who am I looking for? David Gilson. Well done, David. And thanks very much for all your comments you've made over the last couple of months. You're the winner of one of these. And I'm pretty sure you have already replied. Yes, I did contact you yesterday. Contract? Or contact even. Let's get it right. And I've already shipped off the ISDT charger to David. Well done. Thanks for all your comments. It really is fantastic. Now, somebody else I'm looking for who comments very regularly, Samantha Collins. Again, she makes a lot of comments on my videos. If I look down here, and they're all very constructive, very useful. And like I say, it just encourages me to make more content for the channel. Excellent. Well done, Samantha. Drop me a email on whirly@whirlybloke.co.uk. I'll link it down here, and get me your address and I'll get one of these shipped out to you. Well done for winning. Right, so let's see if we can find... Game of Drones. Yes, Game of Drones makes so many comments on my channel. It's incredible. They're always very positive and very constructive. So thanks, Game of Drones. You're going to get one of these M6 chargers. Now, I know you're in the US, so shipping will take a little while, maybe 5, 6, 7 days, but hang fire, you will get it. And thanks for all your comments. And thanks everybody for all their comments over the last couple of months. I mean, put a lot of effort into running this channel, and when I get great feedback, it's fantastic. So please keep the comments coming. And I'm going to be running a few of these over the next few months, as and when I get something that I feel is worth giving away, or I need to make room on the shelves. Well done, everybody, and I'll see you next time.